Hello world, this is Random Fix, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do some basic DIY car repairs. And this is a simple video. You're not going to get your hands dirty, and we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter, which is super important because it filters the air that you breathe. And especially with everything that's going on with the corona epidemic, you want to make sure this is not forgotten about with your car repair. So I got myself a little helper here, and we're going to be replacing this right now. And the repair for this was quoted at $113 to over $180 on RepairPal.com. So here we are on RepairPal, and as we can see, you're able to get an estimate for a vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this up and choose Toyota and the 2019 Corolla hatchback, and we're going to go ahead and hit cabin air filter and choose my motor size, and we get a price range of $113 to $184 for this 5-minute repair. That's insane. So let me show you how easy this is. Most cabin air filters are located on the passenger side. So first thing you want to do is pop open your glove box, and with your glove box open, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pop this little mechanism that actually helps the glove box just glide down instead of slamming down. And this is super easy, just pops off like that. So that's disconnected now. Next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and pop in these two little clips on each side of this. When these are popped in, you're going to go ahead and just pop out the airbox like that. And next thing we want to do is you want to come in here, and you're going to see this cover. There's an arrow that actually says up, pointing up, and there's these little two plastic clips. Push those together and pull this out, and again you're going to see a little insert like this, and it says up on here. And this is my cabin air filter after less than 1 year with 13,000 miles. So if you've never replaced yours, you can imagine how dirty it could be. And I went through and actually cleaned this not that long ago as I was waiting for the part, but it had leaves in here. I've seen dead ants, parts of birds. It can get pretty nasty, so we want to go ahead and change this out with our new filter. And these filters come in a variety of quality. This one right here is actually a better quality one, which has carbon in here, and what that does is it actually goes through and neutralizes a little bit better than this paper filter. And I'll have a link to an example of this in the description box below. Alright, so you want to go ahead and pop this out. And pop in the new one. And it's that easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my filter. Pop that back in here. And throw my lid on. Go ahead and slide that in. Push the two little clips in, and it's all done. And to go ahead and get the glove box back in place, you want to go ahead and line up these little guides here to the bottom of the airbox on this Corolla here. And they just pop in. Reattach the little lever here, and we're all done. How easy was that? And we got ourselves a much better filter that's actually carbon activated, and that took less than 5 minutes, and the filter actually cost me less than $15, so I was able to save a bunch of money and time. And so I hope the video helped you guys out. I know every car is a little different, but if you get used to just doing it yourself, this is my first time doing this, and it's pretty easy. Don't be afraid. If you guys are new to the channel, don't hesitate to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash on that notification button as well, so anytime I post videos that are aimed to save you time and money, you will get notified. Thanks again, guys. Have a fantastic day and keep it clean. Bye.